at this question, we have to prove that this expression in p power n plus 1 plus p plus 1 whole power 2n minus 1 is divisible by p square plus p plus 1 for all n belongs to a set of natural numbers. Here p is also natural number. We consider this statement as p of n. Let's first prove that this is true for n is equal to 1. When I put here n is equal to 1, I get p square plus p plus 1, and this is divisible by p square plus p plus 1. ठीक है ना? Now assume that statement is true for some n is equal to k. That means we have statement p of k as p power k plus 1 plus p plus 1 power 2k minus 1. This is equal to p square plus p plus 1 multiplied by f of p. Here f of p is some polynomial in p. This is quotient when we divide this expression by p square plus p plus 1. Okay. Now this is our assumption step. We have assumed that this statement is true for n is equal to k. Now we have to prove that statement is true for n is equal to k plus 1. If I put here n is equal to k plus 1, I get expression as p power k plus 2 plus p plus 1 power 2k plus 1. Okay. We have to prove that this is also divisible by p square plus p plus 1. Okay. कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? How can we use this assumption step? अब तो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. क्या करेंगे? We can write this expression as p multiplied by p power k plus 1 plus p plus 1 whole square multiplied by p plus 1 power 2k minus 1. I'm trying to get these terms, p power k plus 1, p plus 1 power 2k minus 1, like that. Now here I can put the value of p power k plus 1, okay, which is this expression minus this expression. So I have here p multiplied by inside bracket p square plus p plus 1 multiplied by f of p minus p plus 1 power 2k minus 1, this plus p plus 1 whole square multiplied by p plus 1 power 2k minus 1. Okay. What next? We have p multiplied by p square plus p plus 1 multiplied by f of p. Okay. Here we have p plus 1 whole square multiplied by p plus 1 power 2k minus 1. Here we have minus p multiplied by p plus 1 power 2k minus 1. So we have p plus 1 power 2k minus 1 common. Inside bracket we have p plus 1 whole square minus p. So we have p square plus 2p plus 1 minus p. This expression is p square plus p plus 1. Okay. Now in both these terms we have factor p square plus p plus 1. So this expression is divisible by p square plus p plus 1. Okay. So statement is true for n is equal to k plus 1 also. तो यहाँ पे भी हमने PMI से ये statement prove कर लिया that this expression is divisible by p square plus p plus 1 for all n belongs to set of natural numbers. ओके, तो होप आपको समझ में आया कि डिविजिबिलिटी के प्रॉब्लम्स को किस तरह से हैंडल करना है. हाउ वी हैंडल द प्रॉब्लम्स बेस्ड ऑन डिविजिबिलिटी.